Oh, hello. Uh, did did you see me back there? What's that? You wanna know about asymptotes, huh? Okay. So if you wanna know about asymptotes, I'm gonna tell you just a brief explanation of what asymptotes is and how do you find them. Okay. So to find the vertical asymptote of the function f of x is equals to p's of x over q's of x, you must find first the zeros of q's of x. So the horizontal asymptote can be determined based on three conditions. So first, if the numerator is greater than the denominator, then there is no horizontal asymptote. So the second condition is that if the numerator is less than the denominator, then the horizontal asymptote is the x-axis itself, or 0. Then the third and final condition, that if the numerator is equal to the denominator, then the horizontal asymptote can be determined by dividing the coefficients of the two variables with the highest degree.
Now let's have examples. Let's say that f of x is equal to 3x squared plus 2x minus 3 over 4x minus 2. To get its vertical asymptote, let's equate its q of x, which is 4x minus 2, to 0. So let's start. First, let's transpose 2 to the other side so that only 4x will remain. After that, let's divide both sides by 4 because we can see that 4 is the coefficient of x and we only want x. So divide both sides, so that would be x equals to 2 over 4. But then again, we can see that 2 over 4 is not in its lowest term. So let's put it there. X equals 1 over 2. And there you have it, the vertical asymptote, which is 1 over 2, or 1/2. Now, let's find the horizontal asymptotes, if there are any. First, we look at the degree of the numerator and the denominator. We can see here that the degree of the numerator is in the second degree, while the denominator is in the first degree. So based from the conditions earlier, we can say that there is no horizontal asymptote. Let's have another example. Let's say that f of x is equal to 2x minus 4 over x plus 1. So like before, we get the vertical asymptote. To get that, we take the denominator and equate it to 0. So we'll have x plus 1 equals 0. And then let's transpose 1 to the other side. So we do that, and then we'll have x equal to negative 1. That's your vertical asymptote, negative 1. To find the horizontal asymptote of the function, let's first look at the degree of the numerator and the denominator. We can see that they are both in the first degree. So that means, according to the third condition that was stated before, we should just divide the coefficients of the variables with the highest degree. So that gives us 2 over 1. Or, in simplest terms, 2. And that's our horizontal asymptote, 2. Let's have another example. Let's say that f of x is equal to 4 over 3x plus 4. find the vertical asymptote, let's do what we did earlier. Let's take the denominator. 3x plus 4 equals 0. Again, let's transpose. So that would give us 3x equals to negative 4. Let's divide both sides to 3, so we'll just have 3. That would give us x equals to negative 4/3. Okay, now let's have the horizontal asymptote. To find it, we have to look at the denominator and the numerator's coefficients. We can see that the denominator has a higher degree than the numerator, just like the third condition that we said before. So, based from that, we should see that the horizontal asymptote is 0.